Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Free People package. I bought some cowgirl boots that I thought were really cute. I was looking for a pair of boots. I always look on Free People just because they have a good selection and they're usually a little bit unique. These are Stevie Boot. I got size 7.5. You can see the details that has this little metal piece in the front. It's got a short heel with some matching metal piece back here. There's some really cool cross stitching across the ankle. And these are knee-high boots. They had these in off-white too, which I really wanted both of them, but I decided just to get them in black since we're heading into fall shortly. I think I'll get more use out of the black one. So these ones have a wider calf, so you just pull them up over your feet, up your calf. They're a little bit wider, a little looser. They were styled kind of slouchy, but I think they are stiff enough where they're gonna stay up. On the top, it also has this little handle so you can pull it over your feet a little bit easier. And then on that handle, there's again that 3 cross stitching, and it's on the inside as well. Here you can see the sole. It has an FP and sort of that old style script. So after trying these boots on, they overall feel like they fit well. They're a bit narrow inside the top part of my foot. I tried them on without socks, so I would just wear thin socks with these and just hope that they widen a bit. It's surprising that these feel narrow on me because I don't really have wide feet. And it came with this little card from Free People saying, the leather and sole finishes on this vintage inspired style have been handcrafted to reflect a 2-tone wax burnish finish. Any variation in shade or marks is intentional and gives each shoe its own unique characteristics. So I love that. Everything's a little bit unique and not so perfect. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.